Prestige Biologics provides CDMO services, which combine contract engineering organization services with traditional CDMO services. Through 4 state-of-the-art biomanufacturing facilities equipped with global GMP capabilities, we possess a production capacity of 154,000 liters, ranking us 5th in the global CDMO market. Each plant is specialized to cater the diverse needs of various clients, including those involved in antibody, recombinant protein, and animal cell-based pharmaceutical production. Plant 1, with a production scale of 6,400 liters, acquired EU GMP and KGMP certifications. It is a facility suitable for supporting early-stage projects, small-scale, and critical projects in development and production. Plant 2, with a production scale of 68,000 liters, also acquired EU GMP and KGMP certifications. It is a facility capable of production and drug product packaging, allowing it to be the most flexible in meeting a wide range of customer demands. Plant 3 has a production capacity of 88,000 liters, and it is a facility that provides a remarkable production capacity while remaining flexible and responsive to market demands and applying new platforms. Plant 4, with a production capacity of 32,000 liters, is a GMP-compliant custom manufacturing facility that caters to high-volume production in response to customer demands and is named Alita Smart BioFactory. Furthermore, Plant 4 has a large warehouse facility with a robotic storage system that provides storage capabilities under various temperature conditions. Therefore, it is also possible to provide a clinical depot service that complies with GDP regulations for clinical biopharmaceuticals. Prestige Biologics is committed to building partnerships with various clients from the early stages of biopharmaceutical development to commercial production by achieving increased productivity and maximize efficiency. Alita Smart BioFactory, which consists of 2 separate suites that can be connected, is a hybrid manufacturing system that achieves process flexibility, high productivity, and production cost effectiveness. Alita Smart BioFactory is a facility that has introduced the Alita system, which integrates a hybrid system that approximately combines single-use and stainless steel systems, incorporates an IoT control system that analyzes process data in real time throughout the entire process, and an automated system for adjusting process parameters using AI and machine learning for the optimization of biopharmaceutical production processes. The Alita system simultaneously realizes the advantages of a low contamination risk and quick changeovers, as well as the swift transfer of process liquids, including media, buffers, and less facility scale constraints through its hybrid system combining single-use and stainless steel processes. In the USP process, a variety of bioreactor capacities are deployed. In the main cultivation stage, a scale-out approach is employed by combining 4 2,000-liter single-use bioreactors into a single batch. This allows for saving time and costs in scaling up and enables the adjustment of batch capacities to 2,000 liters, 4,000 liters, 6,000 liters, and 8,000 liters for production. 3 2,000-liter SU reactors, combined through the scale-out approach, achieve product yields equivalent to a 10,000-liter SS bioreactor and result in even higher product quality. The DSP process is divided into 3 parts: DSP1, DSP2, and DSP3, based on virus inactivation processes and virus filtration processes. Each part is separated into individual rooms to prevent cross-contamination between precedent and subsequent batches. Therefore, as soon as DSP1 of the first batch is completed, it is possible to start DSP1 of the second batch simultaneously with the beginning of DSP2 of the first batch, allowing for faster reception and processing of the next batch. Among DSP1, 2, and 3, DSP2 has the longest bottleneck, with a processing time of approximately 1.5 days. Therefore, it is possible to produce a maximum of approximately 240 batches per year. In the future, our patented technologies will be applied, such as the prevention of bottlenecks in the purification process, achieved by combining USP, DSP from different suites, improving process cost-effectiveness and efficiency through the inlining of sterilization filter cartridges, cost savings on materials by prevention of contamination through aseptic connections, improvement in workforce efficiency and reduction in labor costs through the automated transfer system for concentrated components used in media or buffer preparation. Through ongoing research and development of new patent technologies, Prestige Biologics will continue to lead innovation in the biopharmaceutical production market.